Welcome to Today's Fashion. So today you're going to be watching me doing an acrylic set on my left hand. Before I started the video, I did my basic nail prep and I also used the base nail gel polish to apply to my nails. I also sized them off camera, so now we're just going to go ahead and apply them using my Kiss nail glue today. And these are the clear nail tips that I purchased from Amazon. Remember, whenever applying your nail tips, that they're nice and firm, and you hold the sides just to make sure that they're nice and flat. I did order some KDS nail glue, so I'll be using those in the future videos. But today we're going to be using some colored acrylic that I ordered from Amazon as well, from the brand Saviland. And we're going to see how that acrylic turns out, and hopefully the acrylic is easy to apply. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with a ballerina coffin shape today. I am still working on perfecting my shape, but hopefully this set comes out really pretty, and I'm very excited today. So we're just going to go ahead and apply my last nail, which is the pinky nail, using my Kiss nail glue. And because the pinky nail is always the hardest one to find, we want to hold that one firm as well and really press down the sides. So this is how they look after I apply all nail tips, and we're going to go ahead and cut them using my nail cutter today. I don't want to have them too long, but I don't want to have them too short either. So we're going to go for a medium look today. Go ahead and continue to cut down my nail tips, making sure they're nice and even, and also that they're not too long for me today. I wanted to make sure to keep them long enough so they still have that ballerina coffin look, but they won't be super long either. So now I'm just using my straight edge nail cutter just to cut the edges of them, just to give them that extra sharp look, and also to give it that shape that I'm looking for as well. So what I did notice about cutting my nails to a ballerina coffin shape, that I can't cut it too much inward, or unless it will be cut too much and it won't give me that effect that I'm looking for. So remember to cut along the sides as deep as you want it to, but also make sure it's giving you that shape and that effect. Now for this finger, I was about to go too deep, so I had to back up a little bit and recut it. I think I cut them pretty good. Of course, we still have to shape them and file them using my hand nail file as well, so the shape will come out better than what they are right now. But so far, this is how they look. Okay, so now I'm going to use my hand nail file to give them that ballerina coffin look that we're aiming for today. Of course, this is the 100 by 180 nail file that I'm using, that I purchased a while ago from Amazon. I love this nail file. It has been doing really great and hasn't given me any problems so far. So we're just going to continue to file the sides of each and every finger today to give it that shape. I also like to file the ends of them just to make the edge straighter as well. And don't forget, whenever you're filing your nails, you may want to hold them just to keep them in place and just to make sure that they won't pop off or anything. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and file my last finger, which is the pinky finger. And I'm going to hold that one extra hard. And I'm just going to go back and forth to file the ends of them, which would definitely shorten them a little bit and give them that edge that I'm looking for. So this is how they look after I filed them using my hand nail file. And this is the shape. So far I like it. And now I'm just going to use my nail duster just to dust off the excess material off it. And I'm going to go in with my e-nail file to go ahead and cut around my cuticles, blend in the nail beds, and to get that extra shine off the nail tips. Okay, so this is how they look after I filed them using my e-nail file, buffed them out, and shaped them. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the acrylic on there, and I'll be back with the video of me shaping them with the acrylic. Okay, y'all, so the acrylic is laid on the nails. Now I'm just going to go ahead with my e-nail file and shape them up, smooth the top coat, and buff the acrylic out. So this acrylic was very easy to work with, but also hard, being that the colored acrylic takes a lot of coating when applying them. Or you just have to apply enough on your nail brush so that way you won't have to keep on going over and over with the colored coating. Now I do like how they turned out so far, and I am in love so far. Of course I need more practice, but as of right now they're absolutely stunning. So you just want to go ahead and shape around your cuticles the most, just so that it'll give you that natural look whenever you're looking from your cuticle area. Okay, so I did finish filing them using my e-nail file, and I also smoothed out the surface pretty good. This is how they look, and I did add some silver hearts inside of one finger along with a pink heart. And this is how they look at the end, and I'm so excited. They're very pretty. This is my first time using colored acrylic powder, and I'm just in love with them. I will be practicing more with colored acrylic, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out the video at the end for the brand.